In 2020, after 5 years of searching, we finally found the one. This is the journey of one family saving a forgotten French chateau. Left abandoned for over 40 years, the beautiful French monument is in a sorry state. Follow our journey and bring back to life this beautiful chateau and restoring the Petit Salon.
So we're just here in the salon on the 3rd floor.
Our new front room.
Well, we'll be our front room soon.
Starting to take shape, looking really good.
Yeah. But family job today, isn't it?
It is.
Mum in the background there.
Moving away.
massive change.
It is. To look back and see how much it's changed over a year,
Yeah.
it's just absolutely crazy.
You forget like the amount of work that actually went into doing this and getting it to this point. I think it's just completely unfathomable how much has actually been done, and it's night and day.
Yeah, so when we first came in, we didn't think it was going to be too much work to get it livable, and more we started doing work, the more we discovered obviously it needed a lot more work.
Yeah.
But obviously it's here now, it's all done.
No caravans this Christmas?
No caravans, so obviously it's our first year in,
Yeah.
and we can spend Christmas here in the chateau.
And be cosy.
Yeah. So I hope you've enjoyed the transformation in this salon, obviously because we absolutely love it.
Yeah.
And then on our next video, we'll be looking at the transformation in the bedroom.
Which was in even a worse state than this. So.
Yeah. Well, obviously ceilings had to come down. One bonus, we had the wardrobes in, but apart from that,
That was it.
I think everything else got took out.
Everything, walls, ceilings, everything.
Everything. Yeah. So yeah, like I said, it's another massive transformation.
Yeah.
So looking forward to see that, and we will join you next week on our next video for the reveal of the bedroom, and then after that we'll go on to the bathroom.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Come on then.
Come on then.